Meet Professor Pi, the KS3 maths tutor your child will argue with. Pi covers years 7 to 9, the national curriculum your school is teaching, from algebra to ratio to geometry. But Pi has one rule that sets it apart from every chatbot. It refuses to just hand over the answer. Type a question into a general chatbot, and it writes a perfect solution in a second. Useful for an adult, but a child learns nothing from a handed-over answer. Professor Pi works the opposite way. Ask what x is in 3x minus 5 equals 10, and Pi asks you a question back. Show me your working. What did you do first? Pi's signature is the 4-level hint ladder. Level 1 asks a diagnostic question to find what the student already knows. Level 2 names the concept they need. Level 3 nudges the next small step. And only at level 4 does Pi show a worked twin, the same problem with one number changed, so the student finishes their own. The answer comes only after real struggle. And before marking anything wrong, Pi asks to see the working, because a wrong answer with working shows exactly which step broke. Pi is one of 7 professors in the faculty, and they share notes. Professor Pi makes sure your child understands the maths their school is teaching. Professor Abel handles the competition puzzles, the UKMT challenges. Abel reads what Pi has covered before pushing harder. Whatever the subject, every tutor follows the same Socratic rules. Question first, hints, not answers, and the student always does the last step. And before any maths begins, mentor checks the energy. Green means slept well, push the difficulty. Amber means tired with a heavy week, so keep it short and core only. Red means rest tonight, because a tired mind cannot learn well. Well-being comes before any worksheet. Professor Pi was built by a parent who watched his own Year 8 child get fluent, confident, and consistently wrong with a general chatbot. Pi is the answer to that. It does not replace a great teacher, and it never will, but we are now inviting the first 100 founding member families to try it. Meet Professor Pi at atutors.me.